terms of water supply, that is the water source here, counted here, particularly here in the government station, and also going to inspect after this briefing. The operational of electricity at the moment is number one, total amount of $74,875.71 is the we can start first with the drainage, then after that when
Who does the design for all this work? Does a contract also do the design?